Hi everybody, my name is Nolan from DualGem, and today I'm going over how to make a blinking light. This can be useful for many things, mainly just visual, but it like stuff like car blinkers. You want to have some kind of like information thing, or it really depends what you want to do with it. So I'm just gonna really quickly go over how you would make something like this. So let's make a new folder, which is gonna call blinking light. And I'm gonna make a material, which is gonna be mat_blinking. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a base color and just give it like a white color. And I'm gonna give it a multiplier, not a divide, a multiplier. And then emissive color. Actually, I don't need this. Actually, yeah, I kind of want this. So, but I don't want this to be that. I want this to be something separate, so we have something different when the light is off. So now we want a multiplier. And we're gonna convert this to a parameter, which is gonna be intensity. Okay. And what we want to do is make a blueprint, which I'm gonna call actor_blinking actor. And I'm just gonna very quickly make an empty level. There we go, to showcase this. So if I go in here and disable the floor and add a cube, and on begin play, set to cube. First of all, create dynamic material instance. Blinking, and then promote to variable reference called blinking. Give me 1 second. I actually interaction blueprints interactable. I just want to know how I did it here. Oh, yeah, okay. And yo, okay. Wait. God damn it. Okay, perfect. I just want to look something up so I don't do it wrong again. Then what we want is that material, and we want to set material. There you go. And yeah, that's fine. So, and we want to make a custom event. Call it, for example, ROS blinking. And I made a tutorial already about interaction with objects. So if you want to look up how to make interactable objects, I recommend going back to that tutorial and looking how you could externally access, for example, an event in here, run on server. Okay, so ROS blinking and custom event ROA forward blinking data. So we could technically say we have a timeline, and we play from start function, which is blinking, and what we do is add 1, add 0, 0, add 1, add 0, 1, no, 1, 0, I mean, and add 1, add, oops, 0.5 and 1. So we have this. So this is a pretty much a short blink. And with this, we want to make a new variable, which is just called intensity. And let's just take a float and take the blinking multiplied by the intensity. And with that, I want to call multicast, and I want to input a float, which is blinking. Technically, I think it would be better to call this once instead of calling that every second, because you don't want to keep network traffic as low as possible. So on the server, we just have a function which loops every second, which calls our a blink data. And we don't want any in here. And we want to get our set parameter, and our parameter was called, let me look at the material, go. Our parameter was called intensity. Let's go down here, and in the parameter, let's set it to intensity, and let's get an authority check. If it has authority, you want to call ROS blinking. So now this loops every second and forwards this to the child. Why I'm running it over the server is mainly if you want to change it, you should always run it over server so it's secure. So if you would always run it just on the client could get out of sync. And this could pretty much not work anymore. But if you call it on server and then tell the client to do it, then it should always stay in sync and should be pretty hard to get out of sync. So after this, we want to call ours blinking again. There you go. And now if we get this in the scene and click play, I probably have forgotten something. Ours blinking, and intensity is at 0. Let's set intensity to 100. That's maybe a little bit strong, but now we have a material which is blinking. I have no idea for what you want to use it, but here's how to do it. So go wild, make something you want with this. This is pretty much just a building block. So I really want to know what you guys do with it. So I have the Discord link below if you want to show me what you've done with the knowledge I provide. You can gladly send screenshots or videos there. I would really like to see what you guys do with what I provide. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I wish you all a nice day.